Today, I'll walk you through how to link Notion with your local files and folders, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create links to your local files in Notion so you can streamline your workflow and access your documents with ease. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. This is where all the magic will happen. If you're unsure where to find your Notion page, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Just navigate to the workspace where you want to create your links. Now that you have your Notion page open, the next step is to click on the database where you want to modify. This could be a project tracker, a task list, or any other database you've created. Take a moment to find the right database. It's like choosing the right drawer to store your important documents. Once you've selected your database, it's time to add a new property. Click on the Add Property button and create a URL type column. This column will be used to store the links to your local files and folders. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet where you can easily access your important documents with just a click. Now, here's the exciting part. Try to paste the URL of the folder that you want to link and test it out. If you've done everything correctly, clicking on the link should take you directly to that folder on your local machine. It's like having a shortcut right at your fingertips, making your workflow more efficient. To recap, we opened our Notion page, selected the appropriate database, added a URL type column, and linked our local files and folders. This simple process can significantly enhance how you manage your documents and projects within Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.